Walk.
By walking,
Yes.
don't do it again because it's too dangerous.
Why?
From this place,
大家看，我现在去这个国家公园。国家公园啊，他那个开车的时候带着我啊，就跟市区那儿坐车。我觉得我可能坐错车了。他给我指这公园吧，好像不是我想去，不是我要去那个地儿。我自己觉得。那我今天就去看看去吧。行呢，就转转；不行呢，就算了，我就原路返回就完了。但这个地儿我看景色也还可以。大家看这个像景区吗？这儿，我靠，我这走了将近10公里来这儿，就这样啊，跟我想象当中完全不一样。我靠，这景区哈，就是在咱们中国人脑海里，就是一片特别干净的地方，然后有好多这个旅游车在那儿停着，大巴，是吧？然后有卖票的口。这个这儿这样子，好像让我觉得挺奇怪的。哎呀，去问问吧，走错了就算了，就明天我就直接就走了。这我觉得不太像景区。啊？啊。
¿Hacia dónde se dirigen? ¿Para dónde van?
Yeah.
A la taquilla ya. De barra, ya avanzamos de 1200. Buenas.
Yo.
Buenas.
To
English.
Okay, do you speak English?
yes.
How can I help you?
I want to go
To the one name?
to the park.
Okay, you go there to the red house and there you will buy the entrance. Okay. You got it buy it?
Is there?
Okay, if you want I can go with you. I show you how to do it.
Okay.
Moto, aplícale moto, porque ¿cuánto piensa irse caminando?
Amigo.
Oh, there is buy the ticket.
Okay, wait a minute. Amigo, wait a minute. I wanna ask you something. How do you planning to go there? By walking, by car, or by bike?
Car, ¿cuánto cuesta car?
How much a car? But now it's too late to get a car. The only way to get there is going by bike.
哎呦我操！
You gotta get a bike and then he will take you there.
哦，就是这儿，操！
So here you will buy the entrance.
There is the entrance.
Yes, they will give you a bracelet. You gotta put it on, and there, this guide, you gotta buy the insurance.
The guy, I don't need the guy. If I buy bus, ¿cuánto cuesta? How much money by bus?
By bus. The bus already gone. Now it's too late. The only way to get there is by bike. If you want, I can call a biker and he will take you there.
It's too late. Oh.
It's too late.
What time? What time?
If you wanna go by bus, you gotta be early, about 7 or 6 in the morning.
Oh.
But there is also, if you want, you can go by bike.
My bus is too late. Oh, bus is too late.
Yeah, the bus is too late. Yes.
What time the bus come back?
They will be leaving about 4 in the afternoon.
Afternoon.
Yes.
What time? What o'clock?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
They start to leaving from 3.
Ah. There is no car, no bus.
There is no bus. The only way to get there now in this moment is only by bike. If you want, I can call you a boy.
By bike.
By bike, by motorcycle.
Motor.
Yeah, okay.
¿Cuánto cuesta motor?
¿Cuánto cuesta la moto?
Bueno, de aquí a allá 35, lo que están cobrando.
Ida.
Ida.
Oh, one way, 35,000 pesos. One way.
One way.
Okay, I'll teach you. 35,000 pesos. One way. But if you want, you can go by bike, and in the afternoon you can get a bus and get out by bus because the bus are already there.
Oh, the bus over there.
Yes, the bus.
Oh. What's the ticket price?
Okay. Let me ask the girl. Nena, el señor necesita un ingreso. ¿Cuánto vale? ¿Eres extranjero? ¿Cuánto? 62,000 pesos.
62,000 pesos.
Pesos, yeah.
Oh, expensive.
Yeah.
哦，妈真贵，我操。Okay, I understand. If I walk to there, how much?
By walking is too far away. It's so far away. It's about 2 hours walking, and the road is bad, and there you wanna find snakes, and it's hot in the sun.
It's too far away.
Yes, you're already. Okay, let's go to the map, and I will show you there exactly.
Okay.
Come with me.
Okay.
Listo. Okay.
Oh.
Currently, we're now in this place. This is the place where we are now.
Yeah.
This is the road.
Yeah.
From this road, you can see from here, this is the nearest beach, is Gairaca.
Yeah.
It's about 14 kilometers far away from here. There is one ocean.
14 kilometers there to there.
Yes.
There to there.
The
10 kilometers.
No, yes, but this is not. You're already now. We are here.
Yeah.
Palangana. You go by this way, and you go to Gairaca. But if you wanna go to Neguanje,
Yeah.
you gotta keep walking or driving, and go to Neguanje.
Yeah.
It's about no. This one is 7 kilometers, and this one is 14 kilometers.
Oh, 14.
But it's far away.
It's far away. Yes.
Yes.
The motor take me to
Yes,
where? To
yes.
there or there?
The place that you want. If you want, you go to Gairaca, or if you want, you go to Neguanje.
I want to go to there.
Okay, this place is nice, and there you will find clear and calm water where you can swim. Also, you can get restaurants. You can make snorkeling. If you want to see the reef and the corals and the fishes, you can go to Gairaca. Okay, I'm planning to go there now. If you buy the entrance, I'll take you in my bike.
In your bag?
In my bike, yeah.
Oh, you have bag.
Yes, it's so old, but it's already working.
You take me to there?
From this place, I'll take you from this place to this place.
Oh, to this place.
Yes, because I gotta go there because I got a checkpoint there.
Take me to there. This place. This place have the bus.
No, if you wanna catch the bus, you gotta go to this place.
Oh, bus is there.
The bus, yes, the bus is.
If you take me to there, Quinta, how much money?
About 30,000 pesos.
If you take me to there.
Yeah. The same price.
Can you cheap? I have no more money. This price?
Do you wanna change? How much do you have? Because I'm doing that because I'm working.
No, I have no more money. I take the money by credit card.
Remember, if you pay one way, you gotta pay when you come back. It's about round trip one way, and when you wanna go back, you gotta pay again. So the best option is, I don't know, maybe you come back tomorrow early. How do you get there? Here? How did you get here? Who took you here?
Sorry.
How did you get here?
Walk.
By walking?
Yes.
Don't do it again, because it's too dangerous.
Why?
From this place is safe, but from that place to the road is dangerous. You gotta get the robot because you got the camera. The people think that you have money. From this place.